In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and link navigation menus in Dreamweaver. This is an essential skill for any web designer as it allows users to easily navigate your website. First, you'll want to open your page in Dreamweaver. This is where all the magic begins. By having your page ready in Dreamweaver, you're setting the stage for some productive work. Now, click on Split View. Split View is a great way to see both your code and design simultaneously. This view helps you understand how changes in your code affect the visual layout in real time. It's like having a split screen that keeps you informed. Once split view is up, find the body section of your HTML. The body tag is where most of your content lives. It's crucial to place your navigation menu here so it appears on your page. Think of the body section as the heart of your web page. After locating the body section, add this navigation menu. Type in the following code, nav, and then within the nav tags, include anchor tags with links to your pages like index.html for home, about.html for about, and contact.html for contact. This code creates a simple yet effective navigation menu. Ensuring your menu is in place is important because it's how users will move around your site. Next up, create the pages you want to link. Make sure you have files named index.html, about.html, and contact.html. These are the pages your navigation will connect to. Having these pages ready is important because it ensures your links don't lead to a dead end. Once your pages are created, save each one in the same folder. Keeping all your files organized in a single folder simplifies your workflow and prevents errors when linking pages. Being organized at this stage saves you time and headaches later. Now, let's add some CSS to style your menu. Insert the following code, style, and within the style tags, target the nav A selector. Set the margin to 10 pixels, remove text decoration, and change the color to blue. Then, for the hover effect, change the color to green. This CSS makes your menu visually appealing and interactive. Styling your menu is essential because it enhances user experience by making navigation intuitive and engaging. With your CSS in place, save your files once again. This step ensures that all your hard work is preserved. Remember, saving frequently is a good habit that protects your progress. Finally, click Live View or press F12 to see your work in action. Live View allows you to preview your web page as it will appear to users. Seeing your design come to life is a rewarding moment and confirms that everything is functioning correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully created and linked a navigation menu in Dreamweaver. This skill is invaluable for creating user-friendly websites. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with styles and layouts. Thank you for watching and happy designing.